Title: Colon Cleanse. Smoothie, a quick and natural detox. Introduction: a clean and healthy colon is crucial for overall well-being, aiding in digestion and waste elimination. Yet, poor dietary choices, stress, and a sedentary lifestyle can lead to toxin buildup in the colon, causing discomfort and digestive issues. Fortunately, a gentle and natural solution exists in the form of a colon cleanse smoothie. In this article, we'll delve into the benefits of colon cleansing and how a homemade smoothie can support colon health effectively. Understanding colon cleansing, benefits and importance. The colon, also known as the large intestine, plays a pivotal role in digesting food and eliminating waste from the body. However, when waste material and toxins accumulate in the colon, it can lead to various health issues, including constipation, bloating, and fatigue. Colon cleansing involves removing these built-up toxins to promote better digestion, enhance nutrient absorption, and support overall health. Benefits of colon cleansing include improved digestion and regular bowel movements, increased energy levels and vitality, relief from bloating and gas, enhanced nutrient absorption, support for weight management, reduced risk of colon cancer and other digestive disorders. While there are several methods for colon cleansing, incorporating a colon cleanse smoothie into your routine offers a gentle and natural approach to detoxifying the colon. The colon cleanse smoothie. Ingredients and benefits. A colon cleanse smoothie is a nutrient-packed beverage made from fresh fruits, vegetables, and other ingredients that promote digestive health and detoxification. By blending together ingredients rich in fiber, antioxidants, and essential nutrients, you can create a delicious and effective smoothie that helps cleanse the colon and promote overall well-being. Here are some key ingredients commonly used in colon cleanse smoothies and their benefits. Leafy greens. Leafy greens such as spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals that support digestive health. They aid in promoting regular bowel movements, reducing inflammation, and providing essential nutrients for colon health. Fruits. Fruits like apples, berries, and citrus fruits are high in fiber and antioxidants, promoting bowel regularity and detoxification. They also add natural sweetness and flavor to the smoothie. Flax seeds or chia seeds. Flax seeds and chia seeds are excellent sources of fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, supporting digestive health and regular bowel movements. They help cleanse the colon by absorbing toxins and waste, facilitating their elimination from the body. Probiotic yogurt or kefir. Probiotic yogurt or kefir contains beneficial bacteria that support gut health and digestion. Including probiotic-rich foods in your smoothie helps maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria and supports overall colon health. Ginger or turmeric. Ginger and turmeric are anti-inflammatory herbs that soothe the digestive system, reducing bloating and gas. Adding a small amount of fresh ginger or turmeric to your smoothie provides additional digestive support and detoxification benefits. Lemon juice. Lemon juice is rich in vitamin C and citric acid, promoting colon cleansing and supporting liver function. Adding fresh lemon juice to your smoothie enhances its detoxification properties and provides a refreshing flavor. Recipe for a colon cleanse smoothie. Now that we've explored the benefits and key ingredients of a colon cleanse smoothie, let's look at a simple yet effective recipe you can make at home. Ingredients: 1 cup leafy greens, spinach, kale, or Swiss chard, 1 or 2 cup mixed berries, strawberries, blueberries, or raspberries, 1 or 2 apple, cored and chopped, 1 tablespoon flax seeds or chia seeds, 1 or 2 cup probiotic yogurt or kefir, 1 teaspoon fresh ginger or turmeric, grated, optional, juice of 1 per 2 lemon, 1 cup water or coconut water, ice cubes, optional. Instructions: blend all ingredients together in a blender until smooth and creamy. Adjust the consistency by adding more water if needed. Pour into glasses, add ice cubes if desired, and serve immediately. Conclusion: a colon cleanse smoothie made from fresh fruits, vegetables, and other nutrient-rich ingredients offers a gentle and natural way to support colon health and detoxification. By incorporating ingredients high in fiber, antioxidants, and essential nutrients, you can create a delicious and effective smoothie that helps cleanse the colon, improve digestion, and support overall well-being. Enjoy your colon cleanse smoothie regularly as part of a healthy diet and lifestyle, and experience the benefits of a cleaner, healthier colon.